I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel, and we are heading off to yet another track day, this time at Donington Park with MSV. It is Monday the 27th of July and we are heading off for something slightly different. This time we are going for an evening track day rather than a full day. Quite an interesting one, half the price, half the time. We get 3 full sessions of 20 minutes and 1 session at 15 minutes. So I'm really interested to try this one out as it's very rapid fire, only 2 groups, so you're 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. So this is going to be really interesting to give it a try. As you can see, I've got Bruce behind me along with all of my gear. We're just about to load up the van and head on up to Donington. So don't you go anywhere, come with me and enjoy the ride. Okay, so we've made it through to Donington Park. Here we are at the racetrack. Basically everyone else is just finishing off and doing their last sessions for the main day. We're getting ready for the fact that I'm going to be going out at 5:30. We are here at Garage 18 and basically looking forward to having an epic evening track day. Look at the sky behind us. We've got blue skies, a little bit of cloud, but it's about 20-25 degrees, so this is wonderful. Looking forward to coming out and doing every session. I'll be taking you with me. So here we go. Okay, so we're just about to head out onto the 3rd session of the day, and this is the final session. Had a bit of a faff around with the shock settings. We thought we could actually tweak them and improve them. Actually, shouldn't have done that, should have left it alone, and I was about 2 seconds slower. But this is still a really, really great session. Quite hilariously, halfway through I thought it had started to rain. It wasn't raining at all, it was bugs on my visor. There was that many getting splattered. But this one's a really great session, loads and loads of overtakes, lots of fun, so come along and enjoy the ride. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.